This is an incredible transformation from brick to a home. This is my creation. I've thought it, I bought it, and I built it. This is the epiphany of do-it-yourself. Every corner of this house I've touched, modeled, designed, installed, did something to it to look like it looks today. Many things I did not know how to do, but I've learned, I've pushed forward. And now this is my home. This is my home, far away from home. Hey guys, welcome back to the Vegas Romaniac channel. The studio is slowly getting built. And now that I'm almost done with this project, maybe it's time to move on, start a new adventure.